If any of these musicians did not commit an offense that has an evidence, no police can stop them from coming. No immigration will stop them from coming. Even when you write against them, say, don't give them visa. This is what they are coming to do. There should be proof. For example, if they come like April, I came April, I applied for 6 persons and 2 did not return, only 4 return. It will be in the system. Once you write the petition, they will not go and cross-check. Then they will not put ban to that musician not to come abroad again. Or if the musician too powerful, he can only come alone. They don't go let her carry boys anymore. That is how it works. But you don't have the authority without evidence. Not be campaigning on social media, they stop them. Let me tell you the only thing that will stop them, that can affect them. Before I tell you, this Europe and America, when we there, you go hardly see, e not there, but let me put hardly, because depends, you go there, but is less than 2% when they receive 6,000, 7,000 euro in a month. In Europe, as far as African people are concerned, people, when it will be, say, a month rich, then receive salary at 7,000. I can tell you, say, not there. You work that 20 to 30 days. You earn the salary, then pay 7,000 a month. If you go there, you not reach 2%. This 3,000, you not reach 75% people when they receive 3,000 as a salary. 4,000 euro per month, it not pass 15% when they receive as Africa, even some Oyibo self. So 5,000 euro per month, now so it not still reach 10% or it not pass 10% people when they receive as Africa people as salary. So now how is it easy to stop Europe spraying? You can only stop the people spraying money. You cannot stop the musician from coming to abroad. And I'll tell you how it works. If to say I want do one, I'm a registered body fighting against all those things, but I know they use anyhow. I know they use and they intimidate people. I know they use and say because it's some Benin people that they fuck up to me, towards me, say I want to use them. No. And they use it when I know say I need to use and save humanity. They are oppressing some people. So now it's very easy to stop this performance. When you stop the spraying of money, which musician can't check abroad? Before musician will gather money for Edo State and say, I just want to go do Euro tour. Some go do them, but not be everyone of you do them again. Last time I traveled to UK, I spent over 1,200 euro. I don't want to say 1,500. Oh. It's up to 1,500 I spent. 3 days. And a leg I take waka pass because I want to enjoy myself. Some born me, I like it. I feel like I go to Nigeria. 3 days. Ticket and just whatever things. Despite say some friend came and take me out. I spent up to 1,500. So which musician now will just sit down and say, I want to travel abroad without sponsorship? From Edo State, say, I will go London, I will go Italy, I will go France. He must know how much he will hold. So if I have to stop Europe tour, now let the party I want to stop. I not stop the musician for coming. But this is how to stop them. Now, when we don't trace human trafficking towards them, then if to say na me now, because the matter not hot, reach human trafficking when I stop. So this one, and I see them as a way to survive. But since it don't they be like say is fishing, I am just to write to European Union. I will write to European Union. I know when they write say we write to Italy, we write to that, but it's possible you write to Italy, you write to anywhere. Once you hear say there's the announcement and say they are coming to so place in Belgium, they are coming to so place in Italy, they are coming to so place in Holland, in France. you go the right to those country. There's also people that are coming. Those are human trafficking people, and they always come once in a while together to enjoy the money they make in human trafficking. If you say na lie, may you come see as dem take dey spray with some other ingredients when you go put. Na wetin you just talk be that, you no mention name, just wait o. That place when you dey do something, police go come. Dem no dey talk to anybody, dem dey inside, dem just fall down dey look you. Dem no be coded police, dem wear uniform. Dem just stay like this, dey watch you. You go dey perform o, no problem. If you go spray $100, dem no go talk to you. But those of now wey dey hold bundle like this, whether you dey hold am, you no hold am, you dey comot am for pocket dey spray am. Once police count am reach say you spray €500, $500, dem go excuse you comot. Dem don carry you go inside motor go dey interrogate you. Can I see your ID card, please? Where are you working? You go show inside though. God wan punish you. You know you the kind of work when you dey do. They know the salary. They know the salary you are earning. Where are you working? Your details will show. Remember, say if you dey earn 3,000, you cannot get 3,000. Police see your insurance, your motor insurance, your health insurance. They see your house rent insurance, your house rent payment. When police don't calculate all your expenses, they will constantly ask you how much you take they buy food for house, how much you take they feed in a month. Any amount you like, you tell them, they will write them down. How did you get this money? Instantly, you know what thing they will first do you inside that motor? They will do you drug tests to start with. And for the fact that you are even spraying dollar, it's another reason why they will cause you be drug dealer. So those police now, they will follow you by the work you are doing. You are under arrest too, as we dey talk. So you are under arrest. They don't arrest you, come out there. How they want to judge you, how they want to free you, how you want to explain yourself with the bunch of money you carry enter there. You go explain tire in a prison, you they go. Whether they are charging you for anything, even though they trace you, they don't see the in and out of your money. That money where they see for your hand, carry, can't take spray. All of una when you can't carry money like even though not quick una spray, police will pick all of una. They will call many motor everywhere, go food up. They will make sure say all of una will enter there. And it not stop there. Once you call police to any event center, they will tell all of una ID card, please. ID card, please. And we know say 75% of una no get paper. 40% when get paper, that they take money for government. You when they take money for government, when they say government give they pay me children money, you can't carry gold wear like this. You can't carry bunch of dollar, they spray. You are in trouble. You are a gunner. Because many of those women, when you see say they carry a bunch of money, they are not working. Those women, when they carry money like this, they are not working. I repeat it. They are not working. Many men like that, they work because their name, their system. No, that is not where they are getting that bunch of money. Coupled with the fact that your petition have to do with human trafficking, and they know, police know the story of human trafficking, they will pack all of una. When they just here say there was raid in France, so if the mission even get hurt and the show promoter get hurt to sit or say he want to do the next city or he want to do the next country, nobody will get hurt to come up for house go. They no born that bastard well. When he go come up for house, say he no go dance, he go spray money. And remember, say when police they do this checking, they will know some of the women there. Maybe them and their husband did that party, or some children they there late hour, or the children they has alone. To scatter something, they hard now. This is the most simplest thing to do if I want to do it. When by the time they will tell that woman, excuse me, your ID card, your identity, they will check and they will see, say, this woman get child of below 10 years. And they are dancing here around 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. The children, they has a low. Say single mother many for abroad. Or you come surprise, say, yeah, the husband, they that party, police control 2 of them, and their children, they home. They will collect those children. To scatter something, not the hard. But until I go involve here, the way I involve like in human trafficking, if na that one want to punish you now for na mouth una dey try against me, make I dey think am first. I will punish all the whole state. I know now. Not be only me do human trafficking. I just dey let una know say the thing don't dey near me small. It don't dey near me small. This is me. They not they describe me for you. You can only tell your Indomie children say, I don't know that man, not play with him. But you, when you born there, you know me. No, so I just want to tell you people, no Euro top part 13, no Euro top part 17, part 18 is lie. They just try to drag crowds. The most simplest thing to do, simple than fighting against human trafficking. That is it. You must not be me before you involve police or right to. You must not be registered. I just tell you a registered organization doesn't mean you cannot do it individual. It's allowed to have a peaceful gathering and party in any part. I cannot say every part of the world. I don't know some people's rules and regulations. But as far as Europe is concerned, you are allowed to come and perform as a musician. And when you display money, police will not come inside to come and harass you because nobody implicate them, nobody write petition, nobody name them something. But when you say, now so people, they gather there, human trafficking, you put time in your writing, police come. Even if you put time, they not spray money, police will still tell everybody, say, excuse me, your identity, please. Your identity, please. When you will come talk, say, see, now so the money what they make for human trafficking, or the madam or the oga, this is where they will gather every time, once in a year, 3 in a year, to share, to spray and all that, to appreciate themselves because they made the money in human trafficking. Boom! Chapter close. I repeat, nobody in Europe, if I thought there is African man, not be doctor, not be lawyer, not be this African man, when they receive 7,000 euro, they 5,000 self be far away. So those ones they carry money where you see say that they carry 7,000 to spray, $10,000 to spray, 5,000 to spray. They will all go to prison because they can't defend themselves. They will all go to prison. So now, when you as a musician come abroad, maybe the show promoter still have heart to say he will waste money. He invites you and nobody spray you. People that have genuine paper, genuine work, they will come. Even when police control me and not get any skeleton in my cupboard. After all, at the end 3,000, I spray musician 100 euro. Is that a problem? Or is that people that will come to any Europe tour except it's free? Even though it's free, police will keep on controlling them. Anybody that have heart to come like me, free, not get crime. I must not, I no go fear no let me spray reach 500 euro. You know what it means that you work 3,000, you pay house rent, you do everything, you can't give mission 500 euro. Police will excuse you. Not you they tell them, and then they see inside your document how much you they earn, how many children you get, bra. How much you they pay for house rent? They go still excuse you. Now you will see person when he carry bundle like this. It won't go scot-free. So my people, I will soon enter the game. But I want to gather more evidence first. As it don't they turn to human trafficking, I will still involve. And if I involve, now like this, bam, the thing don't stop. All of you now when they make noise, now don't enter house because now know we'll see this business, they make noise, they make followers. So now they say no Europe tour. Now followers now they gather and they say as people they call Naipa, You know, say Benin, they like when they record the epa. Now the reason they build on a page. Una no even like make I stop am. Una when they make video. Europe toy must stop. Swear. Now page you they build. You, even though you have what it takes, you will not do it. And you don't even have anything to take what it takes to do it. If I enter the game now, una when they say Europe toy must stop, una will dey vex because una say I know they make noise. Now stop, I dey stop am. I know they make noise. Now they cut am one hand like cutlass. And if I cut am, story close. You know, say I take do your video. Musician know say I take come perform. Wetin they call una show promoters will enter house. Una go enter house. I don't talk much. When I talk, I do. That's why I'm called talk and do. So that is the update for you people. The only person that can stop it now, even in less than 48 hours, na me. Today is Monday. If I want to be involved now, I carry a phone tomorrow. I just call. I know what to call. I know the office to call. Only calling. And not just calling, I introduce myself. They see my history, what I fight against. So thing, anything like this, any gathering like this, in anywhere, so and so is because of this. They do it to celebrate this and that. Anywhere they publish, and they call that region. Everybody go enter house. Everybody go enter house. Let me tell you, in this Europe when we dey, if police they control you, see dollar and pounds for your hand, you go explain tire. They already tag you as doing illegal business. Yes. Forget say with the spray, then they see for telly. They no concern them, nobody involved them. Once you involve police, say these people are carrying so dollar, pounds, that is not in this country, you are not traveling, you not be saying you the airport. And even though you the airport, you not declare that kind of money, they will arrest you for money laundering. Anything will make them see anything $100 or above $100, police they search you like this. You see them for your hand. Anything above $100 or $200, they will ask you questions. So they will come say, "May if I do a drug test instantly." Talk must say, if we want to arrest you now, we'll go prison tire. Yes. You cannot prove the money you are spraying. You say you're in Nigeria. You carry money like this. Then I said police may arrest you. You think say you can spray yourself. No, it's not possible. We just respect all of now to the make una money, to the make una noise. But if I involve to mark the end of all those things, if I involve, no more story on internet. You people will only be talking about me, how I stop it. The news will just be about me. As Wagalicious native daughter, don't stop them, oh, don't stop us. Oh. Simple, and they follow, now they make noise. Now they see me for a house, on a party, now they see me. Not there, I'm not gonna. But I see myself as a Edo State, so I'm not there, I'm not gonna. But once the thing is tough, I appear. Once I'm done with you people, I disappear. Now this is how they find crowd. Now this is how they open line, make una they call in. Now they see me for a party. No, but I full ground remain as far as those states is concerned. They see all of now. When time reach for me to deal with una, when time reach for me to help una, when time reach for me to frog una, when time reach for me to help advise una, I know when to come in. I know they care as una mouth they leak all the bloggers and the people when they don't make. See, people why I know they listen to una. You get somebody when will talk to you when you will respond to. Some people will talk, send message, insultive message. I will first of all want to check their page before I respond. Fake page. Then you are not qualified. I'm talking publicly, you are hiding talking. I know they respond. 2, even though your picture they show, waiting you did insult me of, I will first of all check you. I beg you. 1, if we are talking of marriage, you are writing comment of marriage in my page, and I check your profile. You are a single mother. Check your profile in a private line. Private profile. I check your profile. You are not there with family or husband or anything to say you are responsible, both man and woman. I check your profile. You there for asylum. You not get house. You dey sleep for street. You sell your body till they find money. You are not responsible. You don't know say get now in asylum now they don't get Wi-Fi. Our days we not get Wi-Fi. You only go to one lab like that, just go use computer and it go dey slow. Now then don't make it dey slow. Now they get free Wi-Fi. This are all over asylum center now. That is why you go see many comment and many insults. If you not take time to say a better person they talk. They are still fighting for document, but they have free Wi-Fi to insult you when you don't get document. They are still fighting to have wife, but they are insulting you that have wife that is only complaining of what is not going right. They are still insulting you that have husband, but they no get. Now your husband did their eye. Who no marry want advise you of a marriage experience? Who no get pikin want tell you about want insult you, say you want get it, they insult you with pikin. Now those kind set of people I want they exchange word with. But the came when they take the frog at those states, some nonsense at those states, mostly in this abroad. Now me get time, but I know they use anyhow. Now me get came when take the frog now. As God want punish some of now. This no Europe tour is coming gradually. I'm beginning to change my mind. Whenever I change my mind, it doesn't take me more than 48 hours to stop. So this is to tell you that it's making noise there, making video 13, 16 pages. You are dragging a crowd. And because their hair not clean, they are respecting you. They are calling you. They are begging you. And you forget, say, you when you see something, when not tell police, and they can't beg you by bribing, you can't keep quiet. You also you will be under arrest if to say not true. You saw it, they are doing human trafficking. You say it's not good. I wanted to report. They not begged you. You not keep quiet. If to say the fight starts, you don't know say they will pick you join. So all of you are just playing one useless game to create awareness for your page, to make small money on your page as a jobless human being you are. Make God they push you now they come this gods of your land. Make it they push you now they come my table until I change my mind for now. This year will now mark the end of any Benin person, musician, staging music. Nobody says you should not stage you. When show promoter carry you not even see money, you not see money to balance you. He will carry you next time. Person when you go the show, he still dey prison. You go the next one. Person when in hand not clean, he know dey throw stove. When you know say you dey grass house, you know dey throw stove to person. Because if the person throw back, he go scatter your grasses. You think say na Nigeria then day when you go spray money for party when government not go ask you which work you dey do? Abi una no know. Say Nigeria, they not they ask you, even when they know say you buy person, they do money. But so long the person when you buy family not cry come outside. Government of Nigeria will never ask you. Here, if person just call police now say, this is after 11 that they are hearing voice in my house, I'm disturbing neighbor. You know we reach 5 minutes, police will knock at my door. I get bicycle where they park bicycle for outside. If person reach there now, he not get key to open it, they force the key. Neighbor will call police. So all that party one that they do inside house, when nobody they talk, or both said they can't they dance. Nobody tell police. Police can even come outside to control the crowd. Tell you people, hey, come inside, go inside. Outside is crowding. Police people say can even come that inside self. And just peep what is going on. Even when you are spraying money, will go back. Why? Nobody report that show. Let anybody just mistakenly report. It will be a thing of the past. All right. Good night, my fans. Imole Ayo. How are you? Engineer Uyi, how una dey? You are welcome. Yes, so the thing don dey reach my table. I don dey put one finger, put two, put three, put five before I know I will grab am. I go stop am. I help dem stop am, everybody enter house. Come brew back Ashege. Who una help? Not be only insult and something. So if person want think of the way una dey insult, not be just to dey fire una back and front, dey help una dey destroy wetin una dey take, wetin dey give una joy. If person wan follow una as una be, na just to dey hit una back and front na. Even say if I wicked the way una wicked, I no go even come social media dey talk. Once I hear where una dey do something, I go petition una. I have that power. We are not in Nigeria. Even Nigeria, I cover Nigeria, talk more of abroad. Just hit una, make una